right? Two force member means these two force. What is the condition for static equilibrium of two force member? Two force member will have equal and opposite force. Both are parallel and opposite, right? Means F32 and F12 is a parallel and opposite. Parallel and opposite to each other. That's why you need to draw F12, which is parallel to this line, and it is opposite. Please copy this figure. According to the scale, you need to draw with actual scale. This figure. What is the length of AB? OA? OA is 2 centimeter, right? 200. Is it 200?
250.
250 ala 2.5. Yeah, 250, 2.5 centimeter. Draw F32 at an angle of 23 degree, because we have measured that angle, that is 23 degree, right? This is 23 degree. Take 23 degree and draw this in this direction. Why it is this direction? Because in the previous figure it was towards right, but here it is towards left, opposite to that. After that, once you draw F32, draw the parallel line to point O, that is F12, and equal it is opposite and equal. If it is towards right, this will be left, this will be towards right. Now, couple formed by these two forces. Below that, write down for static equilibrium. Static equilibrium. What is the condition? You have done the same thing for the last problem also. For static equilibrium, what is the condition? F32 and F12 are parallel that is the first condition. Parallel, equal and opposite. Equal and opposite. If it is equal and opposite, therefore F23 will be parallel to F32. So that's why, therefore F12 is equal to F32. What is the answer for F32? Is equal to 460 Newton. What is the direction of F12? Here it is right, left. This will be right, towards right. Next, a couple formed by F12 and F32 is equal to C. All of you copied this? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Copied? Copied. Now, see, one force is acting like this, another force is acting like this, equal and opposite force. So these two forces will make a couple. That couple is C. C is equal to F12 into perpendicular distance between these two forces. How to find out the perpendicular distance? You can extend F32 in this direction and draw the perpendicular line. So this is H. You mark the H. After that, you can find out the couple. Couple formed, therefore, couple formed couple formed by F12 and F32 is given by C is equal to F12 is into H is equal to F32 into H. Whatever it may, because both are equal and opposite, right? H. Now tell me the answer for H. This is 460 into answer H into scale. Now tell me the answer for H.
1.9.
1.9. Okay, very good. 1.9 centimeter into scale. Scale is 100, right? So C is equal to 460 into 1.9 into 100. Now tell me the answer. Can anyone tell me the answer for this?
87,400.
87,400. 400? Exactly?
Yes.
Newton millimeter. Right? Newton millimeter. If you convert that into meter, 87.4 Newton meter. This is what the couple formed by forces, whether it is clockwise or counterclockwise. See, this force is acting like this force is acting like this. The it is a counterclockwise direction, right? So CCW, this is very, very important. CCW. See, therefore, see, one couple is acting in this direction, the other couple or the applied torque will be in the opposite direction always to balance the system. Therefore, T is equal to C, it is equal to 87.4 Newton meter. But what is the direction? This is should be clockwise, not counterclockwise, opposite to C, clockwise. So that is the question he has asked to find out. T is equal to 87.4 Newton meter clockwise. Direction is also very, very important. You need to mention whether it is clockwise or counterclockwise. Copied? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one, fourth problem, please copy this. It is on 4-bar chain mechanism, okay? Write down. Fourth problem, please copy this. Draw the freehand sketch. Later you can draw the actual skill, okay? This much data is given in the problem. And copy the figure. Here he has mentioned torque also. Copied? Hello? Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next step 1, write down. Step 1, drawing. Okay, draw the system. System with a scale, actual scale. What is the scale you're going to take? What is the maximum length? Scale, the maximum length is 350 or 370, right? Yeah, it's better to take 100 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 1 centimeter. First you draw the length, AD length. AD is 2.15 centimeter. 2.80 horizontal line 2.1 centimeter. Mark A and D. Not, I'm not going to do it. You have to do it. Do it fast. Mark AD 2.1 centimeter. After that, take 110 degree, cut the length AB. AB is 200 mm, 2 centimeter. Next, you know the length of BC. BC is 370, 3.7 centimeter. Cut the length. And you know the length of CD. CD is, or DC is 350, 3.5 centimeter. Cut the length. You'll get the point C. Join BC and DC. Next, mark CE length. CE length is 100, means 1 centimeter. At an angle of 45. Mark F. Hello, finished? I'll create assignment in Google Classroom for the last 3 problems. You need to upload it, okay, by today evening. By today evening, if you have failed to upload the scanned copy, I will not send the link to you from tomorrow onwards. Finished? Okay. You give the numbers to the links. 1, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4. And the force value is, I think it is 2000. 2000 Newton. Hello, finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we go to the next lab? Next step? What is the next step? Free body diagram. Can you draw the free body diagram? I think you know we have already solved 3 problems. We can draw the free body diagram for all the links. Link number 2, 3, and 4. Draw the free body diagram. Step 2. Free body diagram. Okay, how do you draw the free body diagram? First one, link number 2. First one, link number 2. Draw the link number 2. Draw the link number 2. Draw the link number 2. So this is A, B. What is the length? I think it is maybe 202 centimeter, right? 2 centimeter. Now, what are all the forces acting on this link? First force, link number, due to the link number 1, I don't know the force. So it is a zigzag. This is F12. This is link number 2, correct? F12 here. Next, you see the link number 3. Link number 3, is there any other force on the link number 3 in between? Like this? No other force. That's why you can directly take this force as, see, I have a force only on the link number 2. I have only force by link number 3 in this direction, along the direction of link number 3. So along the direction of link number 3 is nothing but you just measure the angle. Please, you measure the angle. What is this angle? You check it. Can anyone tell me the answer for this one? Theta angle? Can anyone tell me the answer for theta? What is theta? Hello? ಯಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾರಿ. Am I audible? This is 110, right? Angle 110.
21.
25.
25, 21. ಎಷ್ಟು 4 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾರೆ. 21 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ರು 25 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಾಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದೇನಾ ಋತ್ವಿಕ್? 22 ಆಯ್ತು, 22 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So what is this force? This force is in this direction, right? This is F32, correct alla? Link number 3 on link number 2, F32. At what angle? Angle theta is equal to, what is this? ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? 22 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ ಋತ್ವಿಕ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ 23 ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, this is what the p body diagram of a link. Second link. Third link, link number 3. Link number 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇದು? 22 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ link number 3 at an angle of 23. First ಒಂದು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ. ಆಂಗಲ್ 22. ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the length? Length is BC length is 370 means 3.5 centimeter, 3.7 centimeter, right? Okay, BC, this is C, this theta 22. This is link number 3, correct alla? Link number 3. Now F32 is here. Similarly, F23 on link number 3. F23. So F23 equal and opposite force, right? So it is the same direction. Same as the direction of link number 3. So this is F, what is this? F3 to here, it is F23. Okay, that is one force. So the second force on the other side, here, this is the member with the two force member, right? So at this point, what is the force? So one force is acting here, the other force will be the opposite, equal and opposite force. So that is F, what is this force? Same direction. And what is the magnitude of this force? or what is the name of this force? F43 due to 4 on link number 3. 4 on link number 3. Is there any other force? No other force. Next, CD. Before drawing CD, you just measure this angle. What is this angle? Phi. What is this angle phi? Can you tell me the answer for phi? Can anyone measure the angle phi?
83
83. Okay, very good.
or
It is
82.
83, almost 90. Alva? 83 degree. Phi is equal to 83 degree. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು phi. ಹೇಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You take the reference line. So I'll take the reference line 0 degree line. Next I will take the red line 83 degrees. Correct ಇದಲ್ಲ? Is what? Phi is equal to 83. What is this point? This point is D. This is what? Point C. This is link number 4. But I have one more point E. E at 1 centimeter distance, right? 1 centimeter distance E. And I have to mark one more force, that is F, sir, 45 degree. Force F 45 degree at this point. At what angle? 45 degree angle. Sorry, it is angle is 45, right? What is the force? Force F is 2000 Newton. One force is here. The other force F43 is on link number 3. The same amount of force will be F34. Equal and opposite. Equivalent opposite force. Opposite force means 22 degree. So opposite force means 22 degree. 22 or 23? 22 ಅಲ್ಲ 22 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 22 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೀಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 20 ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಚೆಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಚೆಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್, ಇದು ಈಚೆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈಚೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಫ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಎಫ್ 34. F34. Is it visible? Hello? Can anyone answer? Is it visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finished? Finished? See, we have one more force, right? Because D is connected to the link number 1 here. So that force is, I don't know the direction. So I'll make it as a zigzag. So this is what F14. F14. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now, how to solve this problem? Can anyone give me an idea to start the problem, to solve the problem, to unknown, find out unknown? Is it possible to take the link number 2? No, both are unknown. Is it possible to take the link number 3? No, both are unknown. We know the magnitude, direction, but we don't know the magnitude, right? The option is, last option is fourth link. Fourth link, we have 3 forces, but we know the direction and magnitude of one force. And we know the direction of F34, but I know the magnitude of magnitude. And F14 is unknown magnitude, right? And unknown direction. Okay, see the link number 4, but see here we have F34 and F 2000 F. These two forces are known direction. So this fourth link is a member with 3 force. What is the condition for a member with the 3 force? Point of concurrency. How to find out the point of concurrency? You need to extend, because you know this direction and this direction. You forget about F14 because we don't know the direction magnitude. So you just extend one of these two forces on either direction. This will intersect the other force, right? Correct? Where it intersect, that point is called as point of concurrency. Then that point will be connected to the link number 2, or point number D, point D. So that will be the direction of F14. Correct? So can I start? Go to the next slide. Just a minute. Okay. So step 83, finding unknowns. Okay, first one, you consider which link? Consider link 4. Link 4. Okay, link 4, 83 degree. Just draw the reference line. Reference line, then draw the line at an angle of 83. ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? What is the length? 3.7, right? So this is the point. This is D. This is C. And we have E. Right? 45 degree angle. E. So the first force, what is the first force? That is at 22 degree, right? 22 degree. What is this force? F. Am I audible, Rutvik?
Sir.
F34. Okay. Next is the second point. E. This is E. We have 45 degree, right? Take 45 degree. Be very careful here. (45°). What is this? This is F. Correct? Now, how to find out the concurrency? You need to extend this line. I'm going to extend it. You just look at this. I'll extend this line on both the direction. F, I need to extend. So I have extended it in both the direction. And I have to extend F34 also in both the directions. So this will be intersecting somewhere here. Correct? F34 is intersecting at this point. This is called as P O C, point of concurrency. Okay, you need to extend these two forces, known forces. Okay, this force we know the direction, so that's why we have expanded. So this is called as line of action of LOA of what? Of F34. So below one, the line of action of this is what? Line of action of F. Correct? So what next? We have one more force, that is F14. Correct? Can you say this? F14 here. Link number 4. That is unknown direction, but this it is acting on this point. So all three forces must be intersecting at point POC. So join POC with D. See, I'm going to join this POC with D. Look at this. POC with D. Join POC with join ಆಗಲ್ ಬಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Okay. So if you join this with POC point D, so that will be the line of action of what is this line? Line of action of what? Which force? This one? It is F14 of F14. Write down F14. So where is the F14 now? F14 is acting like this, in this direction. So this is F14. F14. See, no, we have the direction of F14, we know the direction of F, as well as we know the direction of F34. Now we can draw the force polygon. Below this diagram, below this, you write the steps, okay? Below this, write down. Link number 3, sorry, link number 4, link number 4 is a 3-force member. Copied? Hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Copied?
Yes, sir.
Manjunath R is there? Manjunath R?
Yes, sir.
Copied?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, write down below this. Link number 4 is a 3-force member. Full stop. For static equilibrium, F34, F and F14 must be concurrent. For static equilibrium, F34, F and F14 must be concurrent. Must be concurrent. Next line. Therefore, extend F and F34. Extend F and F34 in both the direction, and it will intersect at POC. And it will intersect at POC. Join, full stop, join POC with D. Join POC with D, that is line of action of F14. POC with D, that is line of action of F14. This is D, okay, not O, it is D. Line of action of F14. Next, draw the force polygon. So all of you draw the force polygon for this diagram, this forces, and tell me the answer tomorrow. Tomorrow, first hour and second hour, I'll take force polygon. You know how to draw the force polygon, right? For this force, F is known. First, you draw F like this. Okay. Next, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು angle point ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ, angle phi. First, you draw F. F is 2000 ಅಲ್ವಾ? Scale ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, proper scale 2000 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 500 ಗೆ 1 centimeter ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 500 Newton is equal to 1 centimeter. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So F ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next, F34 ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. F34. ಓಕೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ F34, F14 ಇದೆ. F14 ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. F14 ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 5. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಲೈನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ಫಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ F14. ಲೆಂತ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ F14 ಮತ್ತೆ F34. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್? Can you do it? ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Take attendance. Well, coming to the next class, you need to complete it. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you.